Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2023 Jeep Cherokee? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Interior view. The 2023 Jeep Cherokee dashboard features a modern design with an 8.4-inch touchscreen, Uconnect infotainment. It offers intuitive controls, digital displays, and seamless connectivity. The digital cluster provides real-time vehicle data, navigation, and driver assist alerts with a customizable display. The LCD offers a high-resolution display with real-time data, customizable settings, and seamless connectivity. The gear system features a smooth shifting design with an intuitive rotary dial or traditional lever. The climate control system offers multi-zone temperature settings, intuitive controls, and advanced air filtration. The ergonomic steering wheel has integrated audio and cruise controls. Instrument cluster.
The units of measure may differ depending on the intended destination of the vehicle.
Cluster indicators, airbag, brake, seatbelt, battery charge, door open, electric power steering fault, electronic throttle control, engine coolant temperature, hood open, oil pressure, oil temperature, liftgate open, transmission temperature, vehicle security, anti-lock brake system, electronic stability control, electric park brake, low fuel, service lane sense, engine check, shear malfunction, active speed limiter, service forward collision, rear axle lock. Wait to start, 4WD low. Tire pressure, water and fuel, service stop start system, active speed limiter, hill descent control, forward collision, low washer fluid, service 4WD, adaptive cruise, cruise control, off-road plus, adaptive cruise control, adaptive cruise control, front fog, parking/headlights, rear seat belt, turn signal, stop start active, high beam, active speed limiter, cruise control set, select speed control, cruise control ready, safety precautions, know your symbols, immediate attention, don't ignore flashing symbols, stop driving for red warning lights, check manual for unknown symbols, regular maintenance, cluster awareness, don't distract yourself, low visibility of symbols, use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic, general instrument cluster symbols. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Thank you for watching. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips